Alright, as you can see, it's not the greatest. It says 1080p, the box said 720, but in reality it's not. It's like more VGA. But it's still better than me getting into an accident and not having any proof of anything. And here's some of the sound.
Part of my ways stays right in my environmentality for me to be the best, the current, the ones who weren't press the confess live over hot joints to sell to all who want to hear.
So there you go. So it's decent. It's a little $17 dash cam. It'll help you help save your ass if you get into an accident, if someone jumps in front of you. And I like it. Just remember to hook it up to either a cigarette lighter that turns on and off with the car, or hook it up straight to the car that turns on and off. Accessory wire, something like that. Or else it'll drive you crazy turning it on and off manually, like it's me right now. I still have to do that, but I will. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.